Hey friends, I'm Michael from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's do a quick version of an easy guitar song for beginners. We'll learn how to play Stand By Me, another easy guitar lesson. So this is a great song for the beginner. So we'll be looking at the structure of the song, the chords and the strumming pattern. We'll be using a capo on the 2nd fret. That way the chords will be easier for the beginner and it'll sound the same if you're playing along with the song. So the chords are G, E minor, C and D. If you're not using a capo, the chords would be A, F sharp minor, D and E. Now I've also done an in-depth version of this song for you, so if you're new to chords and strumming patterns, jump onto that video. I'll put a link in the description for you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Heaps of songs and free lessons to come. If you're having any problems with this song or there's a song you'd like to learn, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So let's make a start with the structure of the song. So this one's really easy. We've got G for 2 bars, E minor for 2 bars, C for a bar, D for a bar, and then G for another 2 bars. And that's the whole song. Just keeps repeating that chord progression throughout. So the strumming pattern we'll use will have a percussive sound because we're going to put a hit in there. So let's go through that slowly. We've got a down, and then we've got a hit. So all I'm doing is taking the side of my hand here, hitting it down on the strings, and I'm using it like a downstroke as well. That way I keep the flow of the strumming pattern. So it's down, hit, up, up, down, up. And again, down, hit, up, down, up. So you can see when I'm doing that hit, I use it as a down strum there. I don't just want to put my hand on, you lose your flow then. I'm also taking my bottom 3 fingers and I'm hitting on the guitar to give us a percussive sound. So I'm coming down and hitting down on the guitar at the same time. So down, hit, up, down, up. And that pattern is for 1 bar. So we're going to start on our G, down, hit, up, down, hit, up, down, up. Then to our E minor, 2 bars again. Down, hit, up, down, hit, up, down, up. C for 1 bar, so we just do the pattern through once. Down, hit, up, down, up. D, down, hit, up, down, up. And finishing on G for 2 bars, so the pattern through twice again there. Down, hit, up, down, hit, up, down, up. So let's try that through slowly now. Hit, E minor, 2 bars there. C for 1 bar, D, 1 bar, and G for 2 bars. Let's try that up to speed now. E minor, 2 bars. C for 1 bar. D for 1 bar. And G for 2 bars. So a pretty easy song to get you going there. So if you need to, just go slowly and build your speed up and work on that strumming pattern with the hit there. If you're having any problems or there's a song you'd like to learn, leave a comment. Give us a like and subscribe for heaps of free songs and lessons. Now if you would like step-by-step guitar lessons for beginners to advanced players and learn all the secrets to playing your favourite songs and solos in no time, also heaps of free lessons, click the link below and jump on to Essential Guitar Lessons. So I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you soon.